Hello students, this is Dr. Henry and I'm your instructor for OAD 125 Word Processing. This week we are covering Word Module 5, but before I get into the quick tips for Word Module 5, I wanted to go to our course calendar to kind of give you just a reminder of where we are. So I'm going to go, if you're inside of our Blackboard course, you can go to the course orientation, and I have a shortcut link that'll take you directly to our course calendar. And so we're on week 6, and so we are 2 weeks away from the start of the midterm exam. Now, your midterm exam will be open for 2 weeks, but week 8 is truly midterm exam week, and so we're currently on week 6. So I kind of wanted to give students a heads up that now it's time, or now would be a good time for you to start studying, because our midterm exam is going to be on modules 1 through 6. Even though we haven't gotten to 6 yet, it's not too early to start studying those earlier modules that we had at the beginning of the term. So just as a heads up, we're 2 weeks away from the midterm, and the way to study is to study the training tutorial tasks. So if you know how to perform each of the training tutorials in accordance with the way it was shown in the SAM training tutorial, then you should do well. And it will be set up similar to how our first quiz was set up, for those of you who completed the quiz. Okay, so that's a little heads up about how close we are to the midterm. And now I'm going to start giving tips for this week, which is Module 5. So I have the Module 5 project open, and in the Word Module 5 project, you're going to be doing some customizations to a report. And as always, you know, you got to do the getting started steps, the project steps, and then at the end, it does show you a preview of what your work should look like. So make sure you're using that to help you along. But some of the things you want to focus on for this particular module would be the customization features that you're going to learn. So I've also opened the training tutorial for Word Module 5, and I'm going to just quickly go to the task list. And if you look at the beginning of the list, there are a lot of things about custom. So doing custom margins, custom theme fonts, custom colors. Uh, all of these are different ways to edit something or to create some custom options for your report, and then you can also modify and change those. So those are the kind of things you want to focus on for Word Module 5. And there again, this was just the quick tips video for Word Module 5. As you're completing your assignments, if you have questions, concerns, or comments, you can always reach out to me via email. My email is shenry@lawsonstate.edu. Thanks for watching. Bye.